What's the meaning of all-wheel drive? All-wheel drive. All-wheel drive. All-wheel drive. All-wheel drive. All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive, often abbreviated as AWD, is a type of drivetrain system used in vehicles. It refers to a setup where all four wheels receive power from the engine simultaneously, as opposed to just the front or rear two wheels in a two-wheel drive, 2WD, system. This provides improved traction and handling on slippery or uneven surfaces, making it easier to accelerate, brake, and turn in challenging driving conditions. In essence, all-wheel drive can improve a vehicle's performance and safety by increasing its grip on the road.